YouTube, what's up? It's the Anonymous Sneakerhead. I am back with another video for y'all. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Do not forget that at 100 subscribers, I will be doing a Foot Locker gift card giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. The quicker we get there, the quicker you guys have a chance to win that gift card. Now that all that's out of the way, I'm going to roll the intro with y'all. We're going to get into today's video. First of all, YouTube, you guys can see the new poster that I have up here. If you follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, I already posted it on my story, so you got a full look at the poster. But all it really is just the lineage, I guess you could say, all of the Jordans ever released in order from Jordan 1 all the way up to the 2014 hybrid, so including the Spizikes, the 60 plus, all of those. That's what's at the bottom right there. But with that being said, let's get into today's video. And so today's video is interesting. It is a sneaker unboxing, a sneaker review for you guys, but I broke one of my golden rules, and one of my golden rules is wear what you like, buy what you like. So all of the shoes that I buy is personal pairs in my size. Is a shoe that I buy to like. You guys can see it behind me. All of the shoes, I mean, I have more drop fronts over there, but the ones you guys see behind me are shoes that I wear pretty often. But anyways, so this past weekend, September 14th, Nike announced that they were going to release not release, I guess, because they came out a couple weeks before, but on the sneakers app, they were going to have a release of the 3 Supreme times Nike SB colorways, the red and white one, the black and silver, and the blue and gold, sorry. Anyway, so I entered the raffle for all 3 of those, and I took 3 huge L's. I entered it in money size, the size 9. It's not a shoe that I like. Like I said, wear what you like. I don't like those, so I was going to buy it. I know a lot of people do like Supreme, and I was going to resell it. However, I didn't get those, and I was bummed, and I kept refreshing the app. Maybe somebody canceled the order. Nobody did, so what ended up happening is, also on September 14th, this shoe right here came out. And you guys saw the thumbnail already. You know what it is. You saw the thumbnail. You read the title. You got your standard Jordan 4 box right here. Nothing special. Cement print around the bottom. Here's the tag for those of you that like looking at the tag. Size 12. You got your QR code, all of that. Let's open up the box. I've obviously already opened it and looked at it. Haven't worn it yet, but standard Jordan 3 paper. The cement pattern. But let me take out the left shoe here. You guys, once again, you saw it in the thumbnail, but you know what it is. It is the Jordan 3. Let me make sure this is facing the right way. Boom, the Jordan 3 Knicks, the New York Knicks colorway. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm having mixed feelings with this shoe for a couple of reasons. One, I've never been a huge Jordan 3 fan, just because part of the reason is I wear a size 12, and Jordan 3s in a size 12 look weirdly long. So I've never been a huge 3 fan. But I figured, I never actually owned a 3 for myself. I did a couple resells with the black cement, but this is the first one that I have as a personal pair. So we're gonna see how much I wear this, but it so I'm a New York Met fan. You know, Knicks colorways, Met colorways, same thing. So I could wear this with a couple things. The shoe was just, like I said, I think I was more angry that I didn't get the Supreme SBs, and I just wanted to get something. So I was like, I would have spent what, $330 on the SBs anyway. I might as well just spend the $190 for these, and that's what I did. They got in a couple days ago, and at first glance of the shoe, like, I'm gonna get into the review now. So you got this, I don't want to call it a tumble leather. It is a pretty soft leather, I'm not gonna lie. Recently, I'm gonna be honest, in 2019, it seems like Jordan brand has stepped up their quality with their retros. So it is, I don't know how well you guys can see it or how well it'll show it, but it is a nice quality leather on there. Going around the shoe, not too much into the small details. You guys have seen, or the big details, sorry, you guys have seen Jordan 3s before. So going around the shoe, like I said, around the front of the toe cap, you have this cement pattern mud guard. Now, for those of you that are familiar with like a cement 3 or the white cement 3s, or most 3s in general, this isn't that same cement color that you usually get, and it's obviously not the black like the black cement pattern. It's more like a, I don't know if I want to call it a light gray, maybe a little beigeish, like it's like a dark sail kind of. I don't know if you guys can see that. Leave in the comments below what you would call this color right here, but I think it works well with the rest of the shoe. The traditional cement color might have been a little strong for the rest of the shoe, but going around the rest of it, you guys can see the hang tag right here, your Jordan Air hang tag. You got the blue and orange to go with the rest of the shoe, the Knicks pattern. You got your blue hitch right here on the laces, and then you got the orange down here at the bottom, orange at the top eyelet right there, blue sock liner all the way around. You got the orange midsole, or part of the midsole, and then you got on the bottom, once again, that same color here. Now that I'm looking at the bottom, I guess it's more of a gray. You have this light gray, I don't want to call it a cool gray, but you have this light gray outsole with your orange panel, blue panel, and then you got the orange Jordan. And usually this isn't something that bothers me as much, but because of, as I'll get into the, I guess, the history behind this shoe, this is a historic shoe. I would have liked to have seen Nike Air instead of the Jordan logo, but it is what it is. It's not, it doesn't make or break the shoe for me. I do think if it did have Nike Air, it probably would have had more resale value, but I'm not really worried about that. And so the one part of this shoe that is amazing to me, that is hilarious to me, is that it's official now that Michael Jordan is one of the biggest trolls of all time. Michael Jordan and Jordan Brand. So congratulations to them. As you guys can see, I don't know how well you can see it in the back of the tongue there, but what is it? It is 4/8/88. So what's that? April 8th, 1988. Why is that date significant? Why is it on a Jordan shoe? Why is it on a Knicks colorway? Well, Michael Jordan, who played for the Chicago Bulls, traditionally wore red and black shoes. On April 8th, 1988, on April 8th, 1988, dropped 40 points in Madison Square Garden and absolutely obliterated the Knicks. So it's a way of commemorating, absolutely demolishing the Knicks, his rivals. He releases a shoe in New York Knicks colorway so that all the Knicks fans will buy it. Oh, I want this shoe. It's a great shoe. I'm in New York right now. New Yorkers are loving this shoe. They're sitting like ducks in Foot Locker and everything. They were a general release, so that's fine. They'll probably be on sale, be in outlets at some point. But Knicks fans that want this shoe, New York fans that want this shoe, they'll be wearing it with pride. Oh, look at mine. I got a Jordan. It's a fancy shoe, but look at I got one in Knicks colorways. I'm the biggest Knicks fan ever. Meanwhile, on the inside of their shoe, Jordan is always reminding them of the day that he dropped 40 on them and beat them all the way back in 1988. So congratulations to Michael Jordan. Greatest troll of all time. I'm going to go ahead and call this the single most petty Jordan, if not Jordan, the single most petty sneaker of 2019. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Usually I do on foots when I do my unboxings and reviews. I'm not going to do an on foot of this one just because I'm going to keep it, like you guys see, I haven't even tried it on yet. I'm going to keep it dead stock for a while. A while could be anywhere from a week to a couple months to a year. Don't know when I plan on wearing this shoe. Like I said, it wasn't a shoe I was even interested in buying. The opportunity was just there, so I took it. I was also talking with a couple people that just came by to look at the shoe. The whole white upper with the white laces is a little bland to me. That's my problem with the Jordan 3. It's a bland shoe. I like the 4 because it's more like a souped up 3 to me. But I'm thinking about maybe putting in a blue lace to match this, because you got your orange Jumpman right here with your blue outline around there. You have small hits of blue throughout the shoe. Like, you got that little panel on the bottom and on the laces. So I think, or on the lace, the eyelets. So I think if you added a blue lace, it would make the shoe pop a lot more. So like I said, not going to do it on foot just because I want to keep it DS. But I do think at the end of the day, guys, I don't know, what will I give this shoe? I'll say, from my personal opinion, I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10 or 7.5 out of 10. I mean, it's a Jordan 3. We have a million Jordan 3s. It seems like we're getting one every other month now. But me being in New York, being a Mets fan, I think it's definitely a nice shoe to add to my collection. I'm not going to put it in the drop fronts yet and put it as a part of my rotation, but just know that it is currently deep in the collection. It may be something that I will wear soon. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Once again, Jordan Brand, Michael Jordan, congratulations, the greatest troll of all time. Great way to get back at the Knicks and their fans who still cannot get over the torment that Michael Jordan put them through for what, 15 years, however long, 15, almost 20 years. Killing them in the regular season, in the playoffs, on Christmas Day, all of the time. So congratulations once again. Just gotta say it one more time. Congratulations, Michael Jordan, for being the king of petty in 2019, for making a shoe in a team's colorway and then putting the date that you dropped 40 on that team in their home arena. So I think that's hilarious. I can't get over that. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. So just please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, to remind you, I am doing a giveaway at 100 followers, Foot Locker gift card. Share the video, tell your friends to subscribe, because obviously the giveaway is not going to happen until we get to 100 subscribers, so that's got to happen. So please get there. Follow my Instagram for quicker updates. Like I said, that poster is already up on my Instagram, so you may or may not have seen it. I'll put the link to my Instagram is always in the description. Here it is right here, at Anonymous Sneakerhead. So please follow that, man. I appreciate y'all for watching the video, and I will see you guys at the next one.